The matter of accidents in this country is, to my mind, 90% due to people who are irresponsible and people who do not follow basic rules of driving.
In an instant, your life or someone else's can be stolen by reckless driving. Distracted drivers glued to their phones, intoxicated drivers risking it all, and speedsters chasing danger are in the spotlight as Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre delivers a heartfelt plea. He calls on everyone to honor proven road safety measures, reminding us that every life lost on our roads is a preventable tragedy.
We just have to exercise restraint on the road. We have to stop drinking and driving. We have to stop using our cell phones and driving. We have to exercise some level of personal responsibility. Too many times, conveniently, people forget personal responsibilities in the quest, in the desire to blame the government or to blame particular political figures. They forget personal responsibility.
Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre has vowed to take action against reckless driving, following a previous address where he condemned the behavior of some drivers as sheer madness. He is now pledging to take decisive steps to curb the alarming rise in vehicular collisions.
Seeing if we can get breathalyzers to come into this country so that we can get some more control. But personal responsibility. Too many times in this country, we avoid telling people exercise some level of personal responsibility.
Prime Minister Pierre is appalled by the blatant disregard for road safety rules.
Don't overtake in a corner. Very simple. Don't overtake in a corner. Drive at a moderate speed. Very simple. Do not be on your cell phone and drive. Do not drink and drive. Very simple. These are the basic rules you have to follow. But instead, for our own personal reasons, we look for all kinds of excuses. And half of it is to blame the government.
The Royal St. Lucia Police Force, led by Commissioner Vern Card, is set to bolster its traffic unit with additional personnel and rebrand it as a dedicated road safety department. The move is expected to lead to increased road safety enforcement efforts in 2025.
That expired in December, but when they